Hi, my name is Falk Wolski.
And I'm Daniel Käsmacher.
We are the founders of Lernstift, the first pen that vibrates when you make a mistake.
Now you may ask, a pen in a time when tablet computers conquer classrooms all over the world? Yes, because the fact is, the world still writes and learns to write with pens. 100 million of them are sold every day. And Falk here once bought one for his son.
Yeah, my big son Leon used it for his homework and makes some really senseless mistakes because he wasn't focused. In this moment, my wife said the pen should give him a signal when he make a mistake. An electroshock, whatever. And I say, it's a bit much. A small vibrating should be fine. What a great idea. In this moment, I invent Lernstift.
That's how it was born, and this is how it works. The mini computer inside the pen allows it to autonomously perform two core functions. In calligraphy mode, the pen will vibrate if you spell a letter oddly, ugly. In orthography mode, it'll vibrate when you make a spelling error. And Lernstift is actually 3 pens in one, because at the twist of a hand, you can literally turn it into a ballpoint, a fountain pen, or a pencil.
It has some built-in Wi-Fi, so you can connect it to mobile and desktop apps also. It's a great additional value.
And the foundation of a whole world of apps that we're going to build around the pen. Imagine an app for parents to measure the learning success of their children.
Or we have schooling solutions, so the teacher can, with real-time monitoring, address the individual needs of the students.
Or all of you can have your handwritten notes on your devices in real time.
So to combine the classic pen usage and the new digital usage is a real media revolution.
A revolution that, as Tanya has mentioned, is causing us some trouble because the demand for our product is already beyond our capacity to produce.
More than 120 retail chains asked us and contacted us to sell the pen.
Yeah, and that picture up there is a very charming example of that. The man in the tie came from South Korea to visit us in Munich because he wants to sell our pen with their products. His company sells to 99% of South Korean schools, learning tech and content. Now they want to sell Lernstift. We're talking about 2.8 million elementary school students in South Korea alone.
So just with this company, we can have a business of tens of thousands, millions. So it's just one of 120 inquiries we have.
Now, how do we turn this demand into money?
The principle is really simple. We manufacture for low costs and sell to distributors and retail chains with a good margin. In 2014, we do all the steps we need to come into the full series production. And the years above, we just try to scale up this production as fast as we can.
Yeah, and to do that, we need your help. We're looking for 750,000 euros for a runway of the next 9 months.
Within these months, we like to bring the product from the prototype stage to a real market-ready product. And also we have to establish the serial production. We like to build an ecosystem for application developers so they can develop mobile and desktop apps perfectly used with Lernstift.
And then, in 2014, we will roll out the pen through our partners in retail, consumer electronics retail. In 2015, we want to go into schools. And in 2016, we will lower the retail price further to go into stationary retail. Staples, for example, which is where all those other 100 million pens are sold. Our vision for the next 5 years is to establish a global learning platform based on Lernstift pens in households and classrooms everywhere, and a world of apps around it.
So we cannot do it just alone as two guys standing here. We have picked up a perfect team for it.
The heart of which is Falk, the inventor, the CEO, and the visionary behind Lernstift.
And it's my friend Daniel. He is the marketing guy and has the complete customer insight.
And we have Alexander Hanke back in Munich, who has a long-standing experience in customer service and quality assurance. Our developer team is currently 7 heads strong and growing. We have 2 wonderful ladies for sales, PR, and investor relations, and a bunch of advisors that help us grow a company gradually and organically into a big success. And now we hope that you will join us.
So this is your chance to invest in the Good Vibration company. Thank you.
Thank you.